In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the SurveyMonkey app, how to use the app to gather data, gather information that would help you understand what the market needs, what your customers need, so you can be at the top of your game in this ready-to-wear business. So here I'm using my Android phone, so I'm going to go into Google Play Store to download the app. So when you enter the Play Store, go to the search bar and type in SurveyMonkey. Alright, so the SurveyMonkey app comes up. You can see the logo or the icon there looking like the ears, the head and ear of a monkey. So you click on it and download the app. If you're using an iPhone, go to your app store and do exactly the same thing. So there you can see that the app is downloading. So you give it a little while to download. Click on the open tab there at the bottom of the screen. And this is what opens. Since this is a new account, you'll want to click on the sign up tab. So this page comes out, and there you can see the space to enter your email address, and then there's a little box there where you'll have to agree to their terms and conditions. Then you come down and click on next. So it takes you to the create password page where you have to make your password and ensure that the password is at least 8 characters long. So there I'm entering a password into the box. Then there's a second box where you have to confirm your password. That is, you have to enter the same password as you entered previously. And after that, you click on the create account tab. So we are in now. As you can see the welcome message there at the top of the screen. But don't be in a hurry to start creating your survey. You would have to go back to your email box. SurveyMonkey would have sent you a mail. You click on it and then confirm your email address. So when you come back here, click on the Create Survey tab. What opens up is New Survey and Browse Templates Gallery. So if you want to make your own survey, create your own questions from the scratch, you click on the New Survey. But if you want to check out the templates that SurveyMonkey have for you, then click on the Templates tab, and this is what opens up. The first drop down there are the most popular surveys people have carried out. That's people who use the SurveyMonkey app, right? You can look at it and explore. Also, if you want surveys regarding to business in generally, if you want survey regarding marketing, surveys for customer feedback, surveys for benchmarking, and lots of surveys. There are lots of surveys, so you can just go in there and explore the templates. Under market research, I click on the name testing templates just to see what the questions look like. And there you can see what first comes to mind when you look at the name and thinking about name overall, which of the blah, 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 blah. See them all there. Okay, so if this template suits you, and yes, there's a provision for you to add to this template. There's also provision for you to subtract from the template. You see the plus sign there towards the bottom of the screen. You click on it to add the questions you like to this template to use it if you want to test the name of your brand or the name of your new collection. So I clicked on it and this is what came out. So I clicked on the multiple choice tab and this is what came out. So you go in and type in the question, and then you also come down and type in the answers. You would give multiple answers. Then after that, you will come down and select if you want this to be answered. You know, see the tab there at the bottom that said this question requires an answer. Yeah, as soon as you turn that tab on, then anybody who sees this survey must answer that question before they can submit the survey. Okay, there's also another tab there that says add other as an answer choice. There, if you accept it, it means you're going to give your customers an opportunity to drop other answers to your question that might not have been listed in your multiple choice. Once you're done, click on save. And we are done. These are the list of the questions, and the last question there would be the question I just added, which is, would you prefer the brand name in a local Nigerian language? So here I'm going to show you how to create your own survey. So I clicked on my SurveyMonkey app and it opens up, and then you see the Create Survey tab there. You click on the Create Survey tab and this opens up. Alright, new survey or browse template gallery. Remember before I showed you the template gallery, but now we're going to make a new survey. So click on new survey. Now this comes out, so you have to give your survey a title, okay? So I'll put in the title there. And then I'll click on create. So this is what comes out next. Now at the top left hand corner there you can see add logo, but this is a paid feature. You cannot upload your logo until you have paid. Then next you'll see test survey title page. So you click on it to give a title to this survey. So right there I've given my title, Masters are Ready to Wear. Then you can also further describe what the survey is about at the page description column you can see down there. Then you click on that 6 sign at the right hand corner of the screen. Once you're done with that, you're set to add your questions. So you click on the plus sign there at the bottom of the screen and start adding your survey questions. If you've signed up for the Masters of Ready to Wear program, then I have given you a list of examples, the kind of questions you can ask your customers to get the right kind of answers that when implemented would make you produce the kind of collection that your customers want to buy, the kind of custom collection that will be sold out. Now, if you haven't signed up for the Masters of Ready to Wear program and you're watching this video right now, all you have to do is click the link pinned in the comment section that would bring you to WhatsApp, where you can make your registration to join the program. So when you click on the plus sign there, this is what comes out. Alright, they give you different options. You want to add image, paragraph, drop down, text, multiple choice, or question bank. So I'm going to click on drop down and this is what comes out. So now I can start filling out my individual questions. So after I'm imputing my question, I'm going to come down now and give the different answers. Okay, so what is your age range? And the first answer there, 20 to 25. The second answer, 25 to 30. You know, giving my clients or whoever is going to fill out this survey an opportunity to pick one of the range. So I made some adjustments to the age range there, and then once you're done, you click on save. To add more questions, you click on the plus sign there. Bear in mind that because this is the free version, you cannot add more than 10 questions. But if you pay for it, you can add limitless. The questions you add is limitless. There's no limit. So I'm going to go on now to add the second question. And then once I'm done, I'll click on save. So you continue this process until you've gotten your complete 10 questions or the number of questions you desire. So these are all my questions. So these questions are okay for those who want to launch a workwear collection. Now, coming down to the end there, you can see that you can impute a picture and ask a question like I did there. The question is, can you wear this to work? I've imputed a picture from one of my workwear collection to hear what my customers or my audience will say. When once you're done and satisfied with your survey question, you're going to click on that arrow there at the top of the screen that looks like a kite. Click on it so you can share this survey with your audience. So this is the page that comes out right now. At the top there, you can see the survey link, which you can copy and save somewhere on your phone. You can send via email, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, send as a text message. So whatever means you want to send, you click on it. I think I chose WhatsApp. Yeah, and now I'm going to select all the customers I want to send this sample survey to. Okay, these customers are my friends, so I'm going to explain to them later on that this is just a test survey. So I'll send to a few of them, including my mom, and have them respond to the survey so we can later analyze the results and take action from there. So once you're done selecting the audience you want to send it to on WhatsApp, it brings you here, right, where the app has already written a little message here that says take my survey and the survey link. You can edit out that take my survey part, you can delete it out and write a brief story about your collection, right? A brief story about your brand, something that would, move your audience to want to click on the link and take the survey. So you can see that I'm editing it out, and for me, because this is a test survey, I just simply wrote I want to launch a new workwear collection for my ready-to-wear brand, something like that. So please take this survey, and then I sent it to all of them. If you're a client and you open your WhatsApp, this is how it will look like, okay? And then when you click on the link, this is how our survey would be presented to them. So they can start picking the options that best suits them. And once they're done, they'll click on the Done tab there. There's a thank you page. So anytime a client takes this survey, SurveyMonkey will send you an email notifying you that somebody has responded to your survey. So next, I'm going to be showing you how to analyze the result gotten from your survey so you can act on it and make just the collection that your customers will want to buy. So we've opened the survey app now, and then it has showed me here that 3 people have responded to my survey. Remember, it's just a test survey, so I sent it to very few people. And right now I would like to see more details on the survey. So there you can see that the age range, 100% of them are 31 to 40 years of age. So they are not teenagers, they are not preteens, they are millennials, And then I'll click on view more details. And then I'll click on analyze. Alright, so once again, the number 1 question was what is your age range? And 100% of them are between 31 to 40. The number 2 question is where do you work? And about 66% of them had to specify, which means that the answer I have there does not cover in a wide range where my clients work. However, 33.3% of them say they work in a corporate establishment. The number 3 question says, what kind of fabric do you like your workwears in? And you can see majority of them like their workwear in crepe, and none of them like cashmere. A few of them like cotton. The number 4 question says, are there specific colors you wear to work? And if yes, specify. And you see that none of them, all of them said they can wear any color to work from the analysis there. So the number 5 question, from the response there, you see that nobody prefers wearing trouser and top to work. But however, a few of them are indifferent about whether they wear trouser to work or not. The 6th question asks if they prefer to wear dresses to work. And you see that majority prefer to wear dresses to work, while a few are indifferent. So the number 7 question wants to find out if they like to wear skirts and tops to work. And you can see that it kind of balances out. Some said yes, others said no, others are indifferent. So it means if I make a collection of skirts and shirts, I'm likely going to sell a few. But if I make a collection of just dresses, I'm likely going to sell more than if I made a shirt and skirt set or a shirt and trouser set. Hope you can see how a survey can help you and direct you to make workwears. You know that you might, especially if you're someone who likes to wear trousers and shirt a lot, you might easily think that people are like you. You are not in the minds of people, so you need to use a survey like this to find out. And now I'm sure to your amazement, most women prefer to wear dresses to work. The number 8 question, I wanted to find out from them the range of price they are willing to pay for their workwear. How much are you willing to spend on your workwear per piece? And you can see from my analysis that majority of them, 66% of them, can spend between 16,000 to 25,000 naira for their workwear, while the other few, 33%, are willing to spend 8,000 to 15,000 on their workwear. Now, nobody wants to spend 31,000 to 35,000 naira on their workwears. So if I make workwears for this my audience and I go to make the price 35,000, even if the design is beautiful, I likely might not sell. But if I make the price at between 16,000 to 25,000, most people will buy. Now, the 9th question was, can you wear this to work? And it was a picture. 33.3% of them said no, blunt no, while 66.6% of them did not quite say no. They had to explain one or two things to me. When I opened it, some were saying that they would love to wear it but the sleeve was too long. Others said they would love to wear it but the length was not smart enough. They would like the length to be at the knee level. With these results and insights into what my clients would love to see in a workwear collection, I hope I've been able to convince you that surveys are a very effective tool to use to build a collection that will sell. Make sure that your sample size is large enough. If you can share your survey to 50 people or 100 people and get response, that is very good. So with the data gotten from their response, you can build a collection that they will want to buy, and others who are similar to them might also want to buy.